Away they go. Miss Chanel draws for your lead. Miss Manila is sorry outside. Moving up, Haywire La Huerta. Kudos is down on the inside, followed by Europa, while Pink Lady is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 800, Miss Chanel in command by about 2 lengths. La Huerta now in second and by the release. Kudos. Haywire drops back in fourth, racing in fifth. Miss Manila, Europa, and Pink Lady still running at the back of the pack. As they race to the last 450, Miss Chanel maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Running now in second is Kudos. La Huerta is sorry outside with the last 200 meters more to run. Miss Chanel still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Kudos remains in second and moving a party outside La Huerta with 75 meters more to run. It's a wire-to-wire passion for Miss Chanel. Kudos, Miss Manila. Then comes La Huerta and number 2, Pink Lady for your Pentapecta.